Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making a Spotify playlist on camera for the video. I saw a girl do this. I think her name is Kayla. I don't know. I don't remember. I'll put her channel in the description though, in her video. I saw that and I'm like, this is such a great idea. If you are subscribed to my channel, you know that I make playlist videos. I love music. Not a great singer. Wish I could do that, but just not. So I thought I'd make one on camera and find new music with you guys. So today's theme is chill. I definitely want to do more of these because I want to make like a throwback playlist and like fun playlist and all that. So let me know if I should do more of these. Getting straight into it, I'm gonna screen record, go into Spotify. I have so many playlists. I can't even go through them all. I'm gonna create a playlist. I have almost 90 playlists. So the name is gonna be Chill Out. I'm gonna turn off my ringer, sorry. My friends get mad at me because I always have it on. But I'm gonna name it Chill Out because it's a chill playlist and I'm not that creative. I can't pick, you know, like a nice name. So it's just gonna be Chill Out. And I have to put a picture because that's also one of my favorite things about making playlists is putting the little cover photo. And you can now do that on Spotify app on your phone. Normally I just go to Pinterest and like find whatever, you know, vibe is fitting to the playlist. I'm gonna go through Pinterest and just find random things. So I'll be back. Okay, after going through my Pinterest, I found this picture. And I don't know, I just think it's very like, I don't even know how to describe it. It kind of reminds me of, not E.T., there's another movie, I forget. It's like an alien movie, it's really good. Okay, so going back to Spotify. Okay, so choose and save. Okay, so we have our title and our cover picture. Okay, so now the main part is to find music. I have a few ideas already of what I want to put on this playlist because I don't really have a chill calm playlist. I just have like a homework playlist. The first song that I want to add is one of my favorite songs of all time. I think this song is on every one of my playlists because it's just like the best song ever. It's 11:11. It's by Rob Curley. I recommend this to all my friends because I am obsessed with this song. Next song that I'm gonna add is Vass, I think I'm saying that right, by Jagger Finn. I think I found this song on TikTok, like I do with most of the songs nowadays. It's the only song I know of Jagger Finn, but I love his voice, so I want to find more songs of his. So if you guys recommend any artists like him or songs by him, let me know in the comments. Hopefully I'm not going through this too fast, but I have like so many ideas. So the next song that I want to put on is On Repeat by Goody Grace and Lexi Jade and Cigarettes After Sex. It's literally one of my favorite songs right now. One of my close friends is friends with Lexi Jade, so that's how I found her music, and her music is super good. And CES is one of my favorite bands ever, like ever. So it's a great song, it just came out, so we're gonna add that on the playlist. This song is called Tired by B Ba Do B. That's the artist's name, so we're just gonna add that on there. I listen to this when I'm trying to like relax before bed or when I'm doing homework. The next song I'm gonna put on is Heartbreak Anniversary by Giveon. I think that's how you say his name. Honestly, I love all of his songs. I would not mind adding all of his songs on this playlist. So I'm also gonna add Stuck on You, another great song. Voice is just so like different. I don't know, it's like deep and raspy, but like relaxing. It's not like a deep voice where it's like it's like a calm deep voice. This song might be a little too sad for the chill playlist, but I honestly really like it. I forget what it was in. I forget if it was in Twilight or I heard it in Grey's Anatomy. I don't know, but it's like a very common sad song. It's not anything by Sleeping at Last, but it's called The Wisp Sings by Winter Aid. As I said, it is kind of like a sad song, but it's like a good sad song. Okay, you guys can make fun of me all you want, but I'm gonna put Driver's License on the playlist because another song I will literally never get sick of. And I know that it was on my For You page for like a month straight or like a few weeks straight, but I still never got sick of it. Every time I heard it, I was just like, I love this. Now I'm gonna add somebody that I used to know. It's an old song. I mean, I remember listening to this when it first came out. I was in the car with my aunt and it played on the radio and I was like, oh my god, I love this. And then I kind of just like didn't listen to it for a few years, and then it came on TikTok and then I was like, oh my god, I remember this song. It was so good. Once again, this is a really basic song, but I'm gonna add Good Days by SZA. It's another song that will be on my For You page for like weeks or months or whatever, and I just never get sick of it. Like every time I hear it, I'm like, yes. It is on like every playlist that I have. Another basic song, White Ferrari, Frank Ocean. It's just, as I said, never get sick of it. White Ferrari is definitely like a masterpiece. That and Ivy. You know how I said that CIS is one of my favorite bands of all time? I'm gonna add Nothing's Gonna Hurt You Baby to the playlist because I just love that song. Honestly, in my head, most of their songs kind of sound the same, but I think it's just they have the same vibe in every one of their songs, which in my mind isn't a bad thing at all. They somehow seem to make it like all the same sounding, but so different at the same time. I feel like most of these songs were on my like chill homework playlist, but it's okay because kind of different. I'm gonna add Show Me How by Men I Trust. I'm pretty sure that was in my other video. But another song that I absolutely love. Wait, is that Hunter Schafer in the cover? No, I don't think it is. Wait, is it? The girl from Euphoria? I don't think so. This is like a perfect song to like meditate to. Another CIS song, Apocalypse. This is a classic. I feel like everyone knows this song. There's no bad string in that song. You guys, don't make fun of me. I promise you I'm not a Vinnie Hacker stan, but I'm gonna add a song on the playlist. It's a chill song, it's very calm, it's very like, it's very him. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's very his aesthetic. I mean, literally the picture, the black screen. But yeah, he has a great voice. Okay, and the last song that I'm gonna add is Let Me Know by Brent. Nope, I'm not saying it right. I'm so sorry, but you know who I'm talking about. He's amazing. Some of his other songs are Clouded, Dead Man Walking. He has tons. Why can't I think of any? But you know who I'm talking about. So yeah, that was me making a Spotify playlist. I normally just add a bunch of songs when I first make it, and then over time I just gradually add to it. So if you guys want to see me add to that playlist, you can go follow my Spotify, go follow that playlist. A shout out to the girl who started this little trend, who made her video of this because I absolutely loved it. As I said, I'm gonna link her channel and video in the description. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and always be commenting video requests, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.